Okay guys, so let's unbox another product. Okay, so we have this emergency rechargeable LED lantern from Wipro Coral. It comes with a high quality rechargeable battery LED. Okay, see, it has 34 pieces LED. Operating time is 1.5 hours if you have a strong light, and 20 hours if you have a weak light. Recharging time is 8 to 10 hours. Voltage is 220 to 240 volts, and dark campsite. Okay. So basically what I want this is because power failure. Okay, it is April 21 manufactured, MRP 1250. Obviously I got it for a less price on Amazon. And let's go ahead, open this box. Let's see what the product is all about. Okay, straight into the box. What do we have? We have this. We have this LED light lantern. There is this warranty card which is not filled. This is the manual. This is how to charge, how to operate, and important. Alright. And one more thing, this is the charging cable. So this is the kind of port that they provide. Let's open this now. Okay, so as soon as I open it, the first thing I see is this. There's a 12-volt input that it can take while for charging, and yep, at the back here there is a normal 220 volts input. There are some details here. Okay, there's lights in the center. The handle also is quite good. There is a option to hang it somewhere, so you can just hang it as a normal lantern and it will still work. Yep. And I really like that it just plugs it in like this. Alright, so let's switch it on and see if there is power. Wow, it already comes with power, and this is the regulator which you can use to increase the brightness. Alright, so camera is adjusting a little bit, but it is still quite bright, and the regulator response is also quite good. When you want to switch off, just move it back to the left side completely and it goes off. Alright, that's great. Let's just see how bright it actually is. So let me just make the room dark. Right, now the room is completely dark. Let me just use the flash. Okay, so there is a flash, there is the light, everything is switched off. No other light in the room, no other light source in the room, everything is off. Right, so now let's just keep this in the center somewhere and switch it on. Okay, so I've just brought it in the center of the room, and now I'm going to switch it on. This is the minimum light. Alright, you can't see much except this switchboard and outside the window. So let me just increase the brightness. The room is getting lit up. This is the full brightness. The lantern is just almost in the middle of the room, and you can clearly see everything inside the room. quite great. So let me just reduce the brightness. And its darkness. So I would say that that light is really good. Let me just switch on the light. Yep, the light is really good. It really does work, and it's quite bright. I loved it because I really needed it for power outages. I would suggest anyone who wants something like this to get such light. Such light, by such light I mean a lantern type of light, because it really gives out power in all directions, except those, unlike those lights which only give power out in, or the lights out in only one direction. So this is really good, a really great product. And if you have enjoyed watching the video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, everyone. Bye bye.